Okay, so our second speaker is Risto from Inslee.
Hi. Anybody from insurance business here? Okay, good. So I will then not go into very deep, but still I think the thing I'm sharing with you could be interesting. First about Inslee. Inslee comes from Estonia. Inslee is also part of Startup Bootcamp FinTech Accelerator. We have been doing insurance broker business for 15 years. By doing that, we have understood that that business needs to change. And at the moment, we have 25 people working in London, Tallinn, Riga, Vilnius, and Warsaw. Our product is already used by 60 brokers in 6 very different countries. And we have been also trusted by several important players, for example, like Aon. And also financial institutions use our product to distribute insurances to their loans or leasing agreements. So what I would like to tell you about insurance industry, being really 15 years in there, is that when we really see some kind of innovation in normal industries, so we really lack innovation in insurance industry. It's done roughly the same way today that it was done 100 years ago. Of course, there are some improvements, but it's not, in my opinion, enough. And I think I can state that the insurance intermediation business, so agents and brokers, that's one of the most inefficient industry that I have ever seen. That picture probably illustrates a bit how that industry works. And the reason of that, one of the reasons because it's inefficient, is that 95% of all of these companies are quite small. So there is 1 to 10 people working there. And they literally use paper and spreadsheet to run their businesses. So it's not efficient. And of course, it's not everywhere like that. We can see softwares in UK that have been deployed, but when we look globally, then really that's the case. And IT systems are quite expensive, so obviously these small companies cannot acquire them. A little bit about landscape where we operate. So we have studied quite deeply the world agent and broker market. So there are at least 1 million companies worldwide with at least 5 million users. So probably the number is bigger, but that's the market that we have been really able to find out from official sources. And when talking to these companies, also when being brokers and now when selling our software, so we can say that these companies really have genuine problems. These problems are because their costs are too high. Problems are that they should sell more. And at the same time, what's happening in the insurance industry is that compliance is getting harder and harder. Regulators are pushing all kind of rules, all kind of reports. So these small companies in principle cannot survive. And of course it can end up with a consolidation. That's one of the solutions, but it's not good. So broker and agent businesses, I think there needs to be small companies also active there, but it's tough. And these companies need to change in order to survive. They are like under the burning fire at the moment. Something needs to happen. And luckily, we have a solution for that. We have built 15 years a solution, especially in the beginning for ourselves. Now 1.5 years ago, we made a spin-off from that broker company, and we decided that we will give the same system that has been made ourselves successful in the Baltic states to all other brokers in the world. We put that to the cloud, and we are going to sell that system with a monthly fee for all brokers and agents all over the world. The system will simplify the sale process. You can make proposals there. You can administer all of your policies. You can do reporting. So it's the full cycle system, only system in principle what brokers or agents needs to run their businesses. Some of the features, you are not probably, clearly not in insurance business, but I have some of the features that I would like to show to you. Yeah, just the screenshots. One of the problems that these brokers have is that they are not able to afford the system, or when they have the system, then the costs are varying quite a lot. So our system is cloud-based, so when you pay per user, so there is no hosting fee, there is no IT development cost, and no personnel cost for IT department. So in principle, it's quite basic. All other industries have gone that way. So we don't see that happening in insurance yet, at least to the extent that it should be. Reporting. System does all kind of reporting what they need. So just a screenshot of the reports that are available there. But of course you can design also your own reports. Connections. In order to make the process even more important, it's important that the broker agent system connects to insurance companies, connects to the banks. Again, the system has several APIs to do that. Data security issue. When you don't have a normal system, you're a small company, you are quite vulnerable of somebody leaving your company. When a person goes, data goes, client go. So, or even about the backups. These companies don't have normal backups. So in a system you can put user rights, system logs, all the activities. It's hosted in a Google Cloud. So these things are not available at the moment for these small brokers. Again, important issue. Nowadays, work becomes more flexible. You need to, in order to recruit somebody, you need to offer them the solution to work from home, from different places. System is accessible. You can see all the reports wherever you are. Renewals. In a broker business, quite a standard problem that broker might forget to inform client that the policy is ending. Again, system should support all of that. Our system is managing renewals, and a lot of renewal process is absolutely automated. One of our clients is managing 50,000, 60,000 policies a month with only a few people. So these are the efficiency gains that you can get from the system when you really deploy that correctly. No, maybe going further. Launching of new product, time to market. When you don't have flexible system, launching the new product can take a month. In our system, you can configure it quite quickly. Within a days, you are able to launch new product, and it also has a basic calculation engine in, so you can configure the tarifications in the system. That's one of the example of the product that we are just building to one Lloyd's broker who is distributing products in Italy. And within a few days, we made them the system, and they are giving the system to 300 Italian brokers to sell Lloyd's product in Italy. So again, quite easy time to market. Everybody are very happy. A little bit of the design. System is a completely white label, so yourself you can configure, put the colors, put the logos. So you don't need any IT investment from that side. So yeah, so that's what we like to do. We in principle are determined to change that industry. We see that if these companies are not changing, if they are not going to digital age, then they are about to die. Direct business is going to kill them. Already we are seeing it in countries where there is some kind of innovation in insurance industry. Insurance companies, at least, although they are not the quickest one to innovate. At least they have the money, at least they are doing something. But intermediation business are not doing even that. So they need to change, otherwise they will just die. So we are about to change that. If somebody from here can help us with introductions to the London brokers, we would be very happy. So we have at the moment 2 layers of sales channels. First, we are selling globally with internet marketing. Secondly, as we are at the moment in London, we try to meet as many London brokers as we can to get them more clients. So any kind of introduction will be helpful. Thank you.
Okay, do we have any questions? Okay. Wait for the camera.
Thank you. Hi. So I was wondering if you had any pushback from your clients about putting their clients' financial data on the cloud, and what sort of conversations you've had about your clients or with your clients about that.
That discussion we have had with several clients, especially with bigger ones. For example, some of the big clients we have even hosted in their private cloud. So if that really is the issue, so we can do it on the private cloud. We are not actually recommending that because it has a cost base, but some of the insurers are clearly on non-cloud policy, so it could be the issue, but it's overcomable. So, but they still get the benefit, but it's not in a Google cloud, but their own cloud.
Thank you.
Okay.
So it's clear the product's flexible, etc. But how would you maybe deal with a client whose requirements are slightly outside of the normal box of the product?
It's a product issue. Still, I think the main characteristic of insurance policy and the life cycle is the same. But products can be added for each client separately. If it's not very standard product, what verification module is already there, so we can create standalone products. So within a few weeks, I think we are able to put any product to the system. So it will be just additional module. System is sending XML request to that system, and so it's quite a standard thing. Our team, I think half of our team is doing only these kind of things, building special products into the system.
Okay, Risto, thank you very much.
Thank you.